What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. All right, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is GameStop, or ticker symbol GME. We're starting from the daily interval. Like always, you guys, we always start from the higher time frame to find our trend, support, resistance line, or entries, all that good stuff to further predict our analysis. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. So the market just opened about 10 minutes ago. We're down almost 0.30% for the morning. Let me go ahead and explain to you how I found these lines and what they represent. So this top line represents our major resistance line. This is an area where candlesticks tend to get rejected or having trouble break past this area. And we can test this by looking left. We have this hammer stick candlestick that came up and got rejected here. We have these 3-4 candlesticks here that got rejected in this level. And then on the opposite side, back down here, is our major support level. We have candlesticks either reacting or bouncing from this level. And we can see these candlesticks, once it came up and finally broke above this, it used it as a floor. So what works as resistance, it'll work as a floor. We bounced up and, like I said, came up here and hit our major resistance up here. Back down here, hit our floor, bounced up, and ultimately created this minor resistance over here. We have all these candlesticks resting on the support side, and we have all these candlesticks resting on the resistance side. And so as of right now, we are going into a downtrend. You can see on the actual trend line, let me zoom in, that we are underneath this trend line. Also on the RSI, we are not oversold just yet, you guys. We're almost there, but we are not quite yet. So like I said, the best opportunity and the best entry is to wait until we can hit at least this major support line. Try to catch a bounce from this level, that being at the 123.50 level, and then you have your stop loss on the opposite side, maybe around the 112 or 120 area. Give yourself some wiggle room just in case we do have a candlestick that kind of peekaboos below this level, and ultimately you don't get tagged out immediately and then it ultimately go higher. So you want to make sure that you are indefinitely or the stock is indefinitely going down if you were to get tagged out. So that'd be the best stop loss to have in that area, like I said, in the 120 or 120 area. And then your entry would be in the around the 125 or 123 area if we do pull back down to this level. But overall, this is kind of what I'm seeing. It's showing that we are in this downtrend, you guys. We have also the trend line that's above our candlesticks, and on top of that, we did get rejected up here. So we didn't even make it all the way back up to our minor resistance to show that buyers are trying to step up. What we have wanted to see was this to come up, break above this minor resistance, create a higher low, and start this new trend. But as of right now, we're not. We're kind of just not even breaking newer highs or newer lows. We're in a way consolidating right here in the middle. That's why it shows on the RSI. We're not fully at the bottom of, see these points down here? That's would be the oversold area, but we're not quite there. So like I said, we want the best entry to get in. Getting in right now would be really aggressive, and your risk to reward wouldn't really be anywhere. So like I'm saying, if you were to get in right now, your first target would be back up here at the 195, but that's if we can break above this trend line. So it would be really aggressive. So like I was saying, your best entries is if we were to come up to this major resistance line to break above this, minor resistance. If we can break above this minor resistance and come back down and retest on the $200 level, that would also make a great entry. You just have your stop loss back on the opposite side of this minor resistance. If we can break above this, like I said, that would further confirm that buyers are stepping up. And then also, if we get rejected like we are right now, the other alternative would be to get back down here at the 125 or $123 area. Have your stop loss on the opposite side of that. Like I said, give yourself some room, and then ultimately, if it does break below that, you at least be able to get tagged out and wait for the better entry below that. So if we do break below that, I'll make another video on that next stop. But other than that, like I said, getting in right now would be just really aggressive and FOMO. So if you guys like the videos that I break down, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to make this content every single day for you guys. If there's any stocks that you're interested in, put them in the comment box below, and I'll try my best to get to it on the following morning. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.